Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Now let's have our example. So we will divide x squared plus x minus 30 and x plus 6. So in applying our synthetic division, our first step is for us to equate our divisor to 0. So our divisor in this example is x plus 6. Equating it to 0 and then solve for the value of x. So let's transpose positive 6 to the other side. Changing the sign, the value of x is equal to negative 6. And negative 6 will serve as our divisor for the synthetic division. Now for our dividend of our synthetic division, we will just copy the coefficient present in our polynomial x squared plus x minus 30. So we have positive 1 for our first term. For our second term, it is also positive 1. And for our last term, we have negative 30. Okay? Now let's start with our synthetic division. Let's bring down our first term. So our first term is 1. So let's bring down positive 1. Next is we will multiply our first term by our divisor, which is negative 6. So 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. Then after that, let's add. So 1 plus negative 6, since they have different sign, copy the sign of the larger number. In this case, it is negative. And then subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, next, let's repeat. We multiply negative 5 to our divisor. So negative 5 times negative 6, that will give us positive 30. So positive 30. Then let's add negative 30 plus 30. So negative 30 plus 30 is 0. Then, after we apply synthetic division, let's identify our leading term. Since we divide x squared by x, our leading term will be their quotient. So x squared divided by x is equal to x. So we will start our quotient with the variable x, followed by our constant, followed by the remainder. And in this case, our remainder is 0. Okay, so let's write our final answer. So the quotient of these two polynomials will be x minus 5. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.